Dioramas or 3D boxes are a part of elementary and secondary school in almost every subject matter. They are an excellent way to merge craft projects and the understanding of the subject. A diorama is a three-dimensional scene created to illustrate an academic subject, a plot of a story, or an event in history. Dioramas have been around for a long time, and they have value in a lot of different contexts. But it's time to go beyond the same project that students have been doing for generations. In the most basic explanation, dioramas are physical boxes built to showcase learning on a subject matter or topic. They are a way to incorporate craft projects into the understanding of a topic. They allow students to illustrate an academic subject, the plot of a story, or an event in history. The word diorama can either refer to a 19th century mobile theater device or, in modern usage, a three-dimensional full-size or miniature model, sometimes enclosed in a glass showcase for a museum. Dioramas are often built by hobbyists as part of related hobbies such as military vehicle modeling, miniature figure modeling, or aircraft modeling. Diorama is a mass entertainment art in which the illusion of the presence of the viewer in the natural space is achieved by the synthesis of artistic and technical means. In its simplest mode, the diorama consists of a base or base supporting the model and complemented by a two-dimensional painted background. In a more evolved mode, the diorama includes an environment also molded into volume with a wealth of details identical to that of the model. Dioramas are designed for artificial lighting and are often located in special pavilions. A huge role in the diorama is played by the equipment of the exposition hall and the construction of the viewing platform, as well as light and sound, musical and narrative accompaniment. Most dioramas are dedicated to historical battles. The most widely used diorama in museum practice is a special way of filling documentary material, backed up by imaginative emotionality. The veracity is obtained by a rendering of the texture and colors closest to the exposed reality. It differs in this from the sculpture, or even by the use of real materials and objects, plants dried according to the techniques of herbarium, reconstitution of habitats in original materials, skins, adobe, etc., use of archaeological objects or fossils in their contemporary environment, or reconstructions of excavation sites. The current popular understanding of the term diorama denotes a partially three-dimensional full-size replica or scale model of a landscape typically showing historical events, nature scenes or cityscapes for purpose of education or entertainment. Modern museum dioramas may be seen in most major natural history museums. Typically, these displays use the tilted plane to represent what would otherwise be a level surface, incorporate a painted background of distant objects, and often employ false perspective, carefully modifying the scale of objects placed on the plane to reinforce the illusion through depth perception, in which objects of identical real-world size placed farther from the observer appear smaller than those closer. Thanks for watching. Until next time.